मुझे लगता है कि the way he has designed the course, it encompasses a lot of aspects that we think are fragmented. And they're not fragmented. For instance, the forestry, the agriculture, the our relationship to our land, how it affects our culture, you know, whether it is the nature of mankind or it is the cultivated mindset. वो मतलब उन्होंने उस हर बारे के अंदर बात की है जो कि हमको लगता है कि फ्रैगमेंटेड है. लाइक ही टॉक्स ऑफ वॉर, ही टॉक्स ऑफ पेट्रियार्की, ही टॉक्स ऑफ marriage as an institute, he talks of abortions, women rights, men's rights. मतलब वो हर चीज जिसके बारे में हमको लगता है कि हम या इग्नोरेंट है या वो चीज हमें अफेक्ट नहीं करती या वो चीज हमारे को बहुत ज्यादा अफेक्ट करती है, पर वो उसको सबको एक बड़ी सुंदर तरह से स्ट्रीमलाइन करके एक स्ट्रिंग की तरह पिरोते हैं. And this is what really impressed me, that how he has connected. And I think one more thing that I really want to talk about is that I think the initial wound of mankind, that is afflicted all of us is the wound of separation. Whether we talk of the separation from the divine, or the separation of a child from the mother, or the separation that you have from a loved one. वो वाली सेपरेशन की बात इन्होंने बड़े इस कोर्स में हमको बड़े अच्छे से समझाई गई है, जहाँ पर हमको ये बताया गया है कि जब हम अपने when mankind got disconnected, separated from the source, which is the forest, I guess. That is what it starts from there. And you talk about Amazon, you talk about the Indian environment system, you talk about the environmentalists, and you talk of so many things. And it was a very, I think the course, like for those 4 days or 5 days, और हम हमेशा ओवर रन करते थे टाइम को. अगर 8 बजे का टाइम था, हम 8:30 पौने 9 बजे निकल रहे होते थे वहां से, थके हारे, क्योंकि हमने अपने दिमाग का इतना ज्यादा इस्तेमाल कर लिया होता था तब तक, और थक जाते थे, और चाय भी चल रही होती थी और सब कुछ चल रहा है, बट स्टिल इट वाज सच अ mind questioning curiosity. You would burn down your questions, you would burn down your curiosity, and Rishiji would so patiently keep answering them and keep poking you, and sometimes make you think and make you question your own beliefs and each other. And and another thing, he's a brilliant facilitator because he's very neutral. And something else is that and he lives a very normal life. That's something so admirable. He lives a very a city based life, which is what is the biggest takeaway, that you don't have to actually sometimes live in a forest or in a farming land to practice, and you can practice as much as possible. It's just the awareness and intention that he's trying to create. He's trying to question what the course tries to question what we don't, and we think कि चलो ऐसा ही होता है. It's a very beautiful course, and I would recommend it for everybody. Every thinker, everybody who thinks कि चीजें हमें affect नहीं करती, या ये चीजें से हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, या politics है तो politics is not my field, economy is not my field, or the war doesn't affect me, or oh, I'm a very privileged higher caste, so it doesn't affect me. No, even if you're a higher caste man, you're the most privileged in the upper society, still, you will be affected by what happens somewhere. There's a saying that I have heard that if a butterfly flaps her wings in Amazon forest, will it affect another part of the world? So we're that connected. So yeah, I can talk endlessly about it, but everybody, the course must be attended, fully attended, being on time. And please go for it. It's really good. It will really make you think and make you question and make you ask And sometimes surrender, sometimes doubt. I mean, there were times when we all doubted him. I doubted him and I would question him कि नहीं ऐसा नहीं ऐसा. But those questions live with you and they still live with me. I must say. And yes, honestly speaking, you do return back to your lifestyle. ऐसा नहीं कि सब कुछ एक सेकंड में बदल जाता है क्योंकि हम सब मजबूर हैं अपनी अपनी environments के अंदर अपनी अपनी इकोनॉमिकल कंडीशंस लेकर अपनी अपनी जिम्मेवारियां लेकर तो हम सब अपने आदतों में वापस चले जाते हैं अपने लाइफस्टाइल में पर दिस द कोर्स स्टेज विद यू इफ नॉट एवरीथिंग a lot of things stay with you. So yes, please go for it whenever you can. Thank you.